What is going on, boys? We got some major upgrades today here. We got the new M2C drive shafts coming on here. We got the new M2C drive shafts coming on that we're going to be installing today. Look how much thicker these are. I already pulled one off to show you guys. Look how much thicker these are than the stock. Wow. Look at that. That's like 3 of them. That's like 3 of them. We're going to be putting those on that bad girl today, as well as we're going to go ahead and put these hub extenders on. But the real reason that we're going to be doing this is so that we can eliminate these things, these ugly little plastic things right here, and the clips that go on them that shoot off. Plus, I'm going to be changing out my tires on here, and you'll know what tires I have by the thumbnail, but we'll get to that in a second. All right, so we got this beautiful package here of these brand new extended hubs that'll be going on here, and I gotta do some drilling apparently. That's gonna be fun. So let's get into this, boys. All right, boys, we got the extra wide M2C hubs on here, as well as the brand new M2C drive shafts that we're going to be testing out today. The other ones keep bending, but these are like 3 times as thick. But look how wide this boy is now. Nice booty on her. I just realized I said boy and then girl. Today, we're also going to be testing out these new Turnigy LIHV batteries, 9500 4Ss on my XC-ESC system. It should be able to handle it over stock systems. So let's go and see exactly how much more power this thing has, because this has 300 amps. All right, very snug fit here on these Turnigy batteries with the stock battery system. M2C makes a great set. I just haven't invested in that yet because my other batteries fit just perfectly, but I wanted to fit these fatties in here. So let's go ahead and get this thing turned on. Servo having a hard time moving these. That's okay. Look at how wide this thing is, guys. It is so wide now. Not the widest it could be because I don't even have the Wide Max kit on it, but it is super, super wide. I think it's gonna run great out here with the XC-ESC system. Definitely not the stock Traxxas system, but we're gonna go see. Alrighty, guys, let's get this X-Maxx going. Wide boy. XC-ESC. Almost slammed into a tree. What? I thought it can't roll over. It's bigger now. Oh, that was a good one. I'm loving the look of this truck though. Backflipping with paddles on. I love this truck. Glad I hit the brakes. Already it feels more punchy to me on these batteries. I mean, she's just wanting to stand up. Let's get some good flyers over here. Okay, we'll just take out a tree then. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing has so much power. Let's get another good one. Dude, this thing is amazing. I think a wire came unplugged or something. It's cogging pretty bad. That was a nice little jump though. I just couldn't land it. Oh yeah, or motor wire I should say. That motor wire came out right here, so we're gonna turn it off, make sure, plug her back in, turn it back on. Probably super hot already because it is like 100 degrees out here in Texas. Yeah. Ride wheelies for days on the paddles. Dude, I'm loving these paddles. Thought I was coming after myself there for a second. No. Oh, okay. I would say it's passed the sand test so far. Of course it's passed the sand test. It's paddle tires. Now we're heading to the canyon. We got to pave way for the other trucks with this big boy. All right, let's go for our step up. Oh my God, body ejecto mod. Oh my God. And something broke, something came loose. I saw something break, uh-oh. What broke it? What broke it? I smacked down hard. Oh. Oh. My bearing came out. Okay, I gotta preface this, guys. I forgot to do it. When I did change this truck over to the M2C extended hubs, all my bearings were shot, but I wanted to shoot this video today, so I didn't have any bearings. So I just chose to WD-40 and run them, and it looks like that bearing just blew up and made it where we got some wiggle. See, look at the wiggle. Wiggle. Yeah, that bearing's gone in there. Well, that's all for the X-Maxx today. We'll get some more footage of it when my bearings come in and run this baby again. But we got one good jump out of the canyon. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful machine, and we'll see you in the next video of the X-Maxx. Let's go. Flipping on back to the truck. I'm a little messed up. Look at that camber, bro. You ain't got camber like me. I'm a Civic driver. Look at me. Look. Well, I cut my video on the way back, and so I was just driving in front wheel drive back, but this is what we ended up with right here next to the truck. So Traxxas still technically got me back, but it actually looks like it blew out the hub entirely here. Bearings might have been the problem, but the hub is gone, so we have to get some new hubs. All right, thanks to Big Mike's over in Longview, Texas, we got some hubs and we got some bearings here that we're gonna go back on this X-Maxx so we can get out and bash. So let's get this blown out hub here changed and ready to go. Oh yeah, look at that shiny new bearing going in there, if it wants to go in there. It's so rough. So one thing I was curious about that I asked Big Mike at the hobby shop is if over 6 years, because these are stock hubs on this X-Maxx, if they changed anything. And it looks like they did. They added these little ribs here, so maybe these will hold up better. We're gonna have to see. Alrighty boys, it is time for my legendary X-Maxx to meet the skate park. Have never had a chance to bring this thing out here yet, but with all these upgrades, we're gonna see how long it lasts out here at the skate park. Drop a comment right now how long you think it's gonna last. Let's get into it. She's big, she's heavy, she's the X-Maxx. Chassis slappers. Chassis slappers for days, boys. Hit some bowl action here. She's just soaking up the bump. Oh my God, that was a little hit. Not a bad hit, but just a little hit. That one kind of hurted just a wee bit. All right, let's get back to it. Woo. She took that. All right, boys, time for the big jump already. Let's hit the big jump. Wide max, flipping over. She jumped pretty good. I think I can get a double off that thing now. She's taking the stuff no problem so far. I mean, it's a modified X-Maxx, already taking the best basher in the world, maybe making it a little bit better. Double, but I lost power. Did the motor wire come out again? I did get a double though. Gotta see if the motor wire came out. I'm not really sure. Battery come unplugged. Turned itself off? It just turned itself off. How weird, dude. How weird. It must have hit the power button. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did we do? What did we do? Something sounds weird. I'm not getting any power to the front. Doesn't sound like diff though. What could possibly be happening? That drive shaft's spinning, that one's not. Oh! Oh, we broke this drive shaft. We broke the drive shaft right off. We broke the drive shaft right off. That makes more sense of what happened. Alrighty, well, we're gonna need some stronger drive shafts for that. Well, that's what we do. We test parts, and that's what broke today. I hope you guys enjoyed the sand part and the skate park of this video. Let me know what your favorite part is, and as always, if you want to build it like me, besides some of the test parts, obviously, all the links will be down below in the description. Thank you all so much. But I cannot believe that we absolutely sheared this off right here. That is pretty insane. Well, just like a Dodge, it'll still get you back. Oh my God. I cannot believe that happened. Just broke right off. All right, guys, so this is what happened right here. As you can see, it sheared off completely right there next to the extended hubs. Now, keep in consideration, number one, these are the test subjects here, so these aren't the strongest material you'll get them in. And also, I got the heavy tires on here with the extended hubs. But when the stronger axle come out, we will give those a test as well and see if we have the same issue. So far, I love everything on this truck, and these batteries did amazing. I could definitely tell it woke up the truck. I appreciate y'all watching. See you in the next one.